Hello, Dimeji is here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play simple song on the trumpet. How do we play the trumpet? The trumpet is a piercing instrument and we play the trumpet by buzzing into the mouthpiece and it is amplified in the trumpet. How do we buzz? We buzz by firming up our lips but leaving a tiny opening where the air goes into the trumpet. If you noticed, I did not press any of the valves to produce the sound, and that is called the open note C. I take it again. The next sound we are going to be playing on the trumpet is the sound D, and it's played by depressing the first and the third valve simultaneously. The next sound we are going to be playing now is the sound E, and that sound is played by depressing the first valve and the second valve simultaneously. These are the three sounds we are going to be playing today, but let me play all three sounds together. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, rest. So those are the three sounds. Now let's see how we can play a simple song with these three notes together. So that is it today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe below and you'll be the first to get it. Thank you for watching.